If you add beautiful decorative leaves in your garden, that will be more attractive. If you love collecting plants, ornamental plants, and also some house plants which are beautiful leafy plants, so here are some of the ideas you can get from this video, because I have added some of the plants which you can easily grow and low maintenance and permanent plants. Watch the video until the end so that you will see the house plants collection, which are very beautiful and attractive leaves. Let's see some beautiful variegated leafy plants for your home garden. Add some beautiful leaves in your garden so that it looks so attractive and beautiful. Not only that, you can keep them as house plants too. So in this video, I thought of sharing with you some of the beautiful variegated leaves. Adding some beautiful leaves in your garden that decor your garden and adds real beauty in your eye. So this is Aralia variety and it looks so beautiful, easy to grow, low maintenance and permanent. This variegated leafy plant you can multiply easily with a leaf cutting. So it's one plant decors your home, looks so elegant and attractive. When it comes to beautiful variegated leaves, money pothos comes next. Very easy to grow, very easy to multiply, and every gardener have this beautiful plant as indoor plants and outdoor plants. This is one of the plants that you must have in your garden. This is another very beautiful decorative house plant, an outdoor plant which grows and multiplies easily with a stem cutting. This is one of the plants that you must start your gardening with. This one plant helps beginners to start gardening with. So have this plant in various varieties which comes in beautiful leaves. You must add this in your outdoor garden too, in a shady corner. So this is another house plant, beautiful variegated leafy plant for your house plants collection. Adding many varieties of beautiful leaves decors your garden. So out of that, I love keeping these beautiful spider plants. There are many varieties of spider plants, and this is another house plant which can grow very easily even without fertilizer. Keep it in a shade and you can multiply them soon. And this is another beginner gardener's plant too. Along with that, I have put another pandanus plant here. So they are also beautiful and variegated leafy plants which decors your garden. Also, I have a pandanus plant growing in the same pot of these beautiful spider plants. Along with that, they grow together because this is a huge plant. There are many varieties of plants which you can collect as house plants and outdoor plants which grows like weeds. Now look at this. They grow really very healthily and even without any effort. Wandering Jew is another colorful plant for your plants collection. Either you keep them as outdoor plants or indoor plants. This is another lazy gardener's plant. No need to worry. Once you bring a stem, you will see how you can multiply it with no time. And also, this is another low maintenance and a permanent plant. So easy to grow with a single leaf cutting. When it comes to beautiful leaves, I really can't forget this beautiful umbrella plant which grows with a single stem cutting and needs the shade to grow. And this is another house plant you can keep in a corner and looks so amazing and so attractive. They grow really very fast in the shade. So shift it outdoors time to time to give it fresh air, and also some if it is during the rainy season so that it will get some rainy water too. So shift your plants time to time outdoors too if you have kept them as indoor plants. So this is umbrella plant which is so decorative and beautiful. Look at my huge bird nest plant. No need of fertilizer, just the space in your garden. Put it in a corner in your garden. It looks so huge and amazing. It grows without any fertilizer, friends. So it needs a partial to medium sunlight. Keep it in a corner in your garden and it will decorate your garden as a beautiful decorative plant. Beautiful snow white plant. Another decorative plant for your houseplants collection. This is gold dust plant. which is also one of the beautiful variegated leafy plant, which is easy to grow, low maintenance and permanent. Once you bring it from a nursery, make sure to keep it in a shady corner, partial to medium sunlight area. And if you're putting it in a planter, friends, do put it in a bigger planter because they love the space and they will grow really very healthily. And also do not overwater this plant. So this is one of the easy to grow plants and also one of the beautiful leafy plants. Another beautiful Aralia variety is this one. This is also easy to grow from stems and looks very eye-catching. And they are also low maintenance and permanent. No need of fertilizer as well. These are beginner gardeners plants too. Keep it in a semi-shady area if you are putting them in the outdoor garden. And it's evergreen varieties. They also fits into medium to large planters. Beautiful leaves. Colors of nature. If you love indoor plants, do keep them indoors. If you can keep it near a window, that will be much better so that they will get the partial to medium filtered sunlight. Variegated ficus, one of the easy to grow plants, low maintenance and permanent plants. You can grow them with stem cuttings. Keep it in a semi-shady area. And also friends, this is also another beautiful leafy plants. One of the beginner gardeners plants too.